All right, guys, so we're starting to get into a little bit more complex, not complicated, just a little bit more complex than the 1 and 2 step stuff. So I like when students follow this because it alleviates some problems later on. Yes, there's other ways you could be doing this in here, but it can lead you to complication or confusion later. So for my students, I really want you following these steps the way they are. So, I always ask you, please do the vertical line to the equal sign, then get rid of parentheses, all right? We get rid of these parentheses by distribution. I should see my arrows, okay? So, what are we gonna do? We're gonna multiply, we get 2x minus 14 plus 3x equals 16, okay? So we've done the line, we've gotten rid of parentheses. Any step that isn't pertinent to the question, skip. If you don't have parentheses, go to the next step. So combine like terms on the same side of the line. We do have that right now. We have this and we have this, all right? Those are like terms, they have the same letter, same exponent. 2x plus 3x is 5x minus 14 equals 16. Now, we did this. Are there like terms on opposite sides? In terms of like something with a letter or a variable, no. So we'll go to the next step. Get rid of add or subtract. We do have that. We do the inverse and cancel out the opposites and we get 5x equals 30. We get rid of multiply or divide. We have the multiply. We get rid of that by doing the inverse. And we cancel, and we get x equals 6. Again, we don't need the last step. There is no square or square root. We're good. So let's go to a different problem. All right? So again, we follow our steps. Have my vertical line. All right? We got that. Get rid of parentheses. We do have parentheses. I get 3x plus 15. Now please don't do this. All right? Do not go past the parentheses. All right? So bring that down. We have 5x minus 20. Combine like terms on the same side. You can put these together. So I get 3x plus 6 equals 5x minus 20. Okay, now we need to combine like terms on the opposite. I really like it when they put the like terms on the same side before moving it to the other side. So, minus 5x minus 5x. Cancel, I get negative 2x plus 6 equals. This is one of the biggest problems that I see. That is not right. This is not 20, that is negative 20. Please be careful with the sign. I have the inverse right here, and I get negative 2x equals negative 26. I do the inverse of what is in between, and I get x equals 13. So I did these steps, and then we're all done.